Hello everyone, we are Team 3 from Tutorial 6. In this video, we'll introduce PawTrack, an app we developed to make life easier for dog owners. Why is PawTrack? Imagine Alex, a young dog owner, taking his dog Pippi out for a walk. He checks the sky. It looks sunny, but is it too hot for Pippi? He doesn't know. Halfway through the walk, Pippi gets tired, and Alex can't find a nearby park or even a bin to throw away the waste. Later, he wonders how far they actually walked today, but there's no way to track it. That's where PawTrack helps. Before officially introducing the features, let's first explain the architecture. PawTrack runs on a cloud-based client-server architecture. The cloud server handles data and APIs, while the React Native app lets users interact through built-in sensors. This setup ensures smooth performance and a great user experience anywhere, anytime. Let's introduce the first feature, Sign Up. To get started, simply tap Sign Up on the login page to register a new user. We designed the process to be simple and efficient. Enter your required information, and we enforce key security checks such as a minimum 8-character password. Once submitted, a welcome notification confirms your account is ready. Now let's look at login. Since we've already created the account, we can sign in immediately. Once successfully logged in, the application immediately guides you to the dog registration screen. This is the crucial step where you personalize the entire app for your pet. The most important step is to upload a lovely photo for your puppy using either the camera sensor or select a picture from the gallery. The photo will be uploaded immediately once you press on the Use Photo button. Next, we capture key data like name, breed, gender, and age group using clear, reusable selectors. The component is highly reactive, providing real-time visual feedback on the exact weight value as we smoothly adjust the slider without any noticeable lag. We finalize the profile with the personality selector and optional health condition notes. Finally, once all required fields are validated, we tap Create Profile. The app handles the final network request smoothly, and we are immediately directed to the main app tabs. Select on the Profile button, and you can instantly view all of your dog's registered information you just entered. Weather is one of the most important features in our development. This feature is really about helping users decide if the current weather is good for walking their dog. Imagine you're about to take your dog out, and you open the app. You'll see the current weather and the weather forecast right on the homepage. We use functions to dynamically evaluate the dog walking conditions based on factors like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and UV index. These are all really important to decide if it's a good time to walk the dog. Our UI dynamically changes based on 4 weather conditions. 1. Perfect. 2. Good. 3. Caution. And 4. Poor. If it's not a perfect time, we also show some alerts about things to pay attention to. For the implementation, we get the GPS location from the user's phone and use it to get the current weather for that location via OpenWeatherMap API. We also cache the weather data so the app responds quickly and doesn't refresh the data every single time. That keeps the experience smooth and fast. We've also added a loading state when retrieving the weather data, but usually it's just a second or 2. Finally, we handle errors gracefully. If the internet is bad, we show a message in the UI. The next feature is dog walking route recording. So for this feature, the user might be curious about how long they've walked their dog, and they might want to see the route on a map. That's why we developed this feature. On the homepage, there's a simple walk card that shows if you've walked your dog today. If you have, it displays the route. You can press Start Walking and jump to the Record tab. Once you're on the record page, you press Start Recording. It marks your starting point and draws the polyline in real time. It also shows the real-time distance and duration. When you stop recording, it shows the complete record on your screen and updates the homepage. For the implementation, we use the device's GPS sensor to get the user's location, and we track it about every 3 seconds. We then send that geolocation data via a POST request to our backend, where we store the route points in our database. This way, the front end can retrieve the entire route and display it on the map. We also handle errors if we can't reach the backend API. For the algorithm, we use the Haversine formula to calculate the route distance, and we filter out outlier points like sudden jumps over 100 meters or accuracy less than 20 meters so that the route stays accurate. In the Social tab, our app has two features. One is Dogs Nearby, and the other is Dog Walk Events. For Dogs Nearby feature, each card shows a dog's photo, name, breed, size badge, and live distance from the current location. When we pull to refresh or re-enter the page, distances update, so the list stays current. The key feature here is Big Dog Alert. Large dogs are clearly marked with a red Big Dog badge to catch my attention and encourage cautious decisions. For example, giving extra space if I'm walking a small or anxious dog. The alert is visual and immediate, integrated directly into the list so safety fits naturally into everyday use. Beyond safety, this screen also supports social connection. Seeing who's nearby helps me recognize familiar owners, start a friendly chat, or coordinate a quick walk, turning routine outings into community moments. If the network is slow or data can't load, the screen shows a short message instead of freezing, keeping the interaction smooth and predictable. In the Dog Walk Event section, users can see upcoming dog walking meetups organized by PawTrack. Each event clearly shows the time, location, and organizer, helping dog owners join group walks and let their dogs socialize. In the future, verified users will also be able to host their own events to build a more active community. PawTrack's last feature is exploring dog-friendly facilities nearby. When users open this page, the app immediately accesses the GPS sensor to detect their real-time location and center the map. From here, users can explore nearby dog-friendly facilities such as parks, cafes, and restaurants. Each facility appears as an icon on the map, and users can tap to view details like name, address, or dog-related amenities. Users can even directly jump to the corresponding location in Apple Maps by clicking Open in Maps. We also allow the community to contribute by adding dog waste bins. Simply tap the Add Bin button and touch any location on the map. The app records a latitude and longitude using sensor data and uploads it to our cloud database through the API service. We also have a filter bar, allowing users to filter facilities, for example, to view only certain or a specific type of facility. In addition, users can choose to view all bins uploaded by the entire community or only the bins they have marked. Furthermore, users can delete the bins they have marked themselves. Here we have the refresh button. When users tap it, the app instantly reloads all nearby facilities and bins from the server. This ensures the map always stays up to date, reflecting the latest data in real time. From the technical side, PawTrack integrates multiple sensors like GPS and motion services to track walks in real time. We fetch live map data from the Overpass API and our cloud backend, combining public and community information seamlessly. The map updates instantly with smooth interactions. And we use a manual refresh button to avoid excessive API calls. We also apply geospatial calculations such as the Haversine formula and adaptive radius control to keep the app responsive and efficient. For the user interfaces, PawTrack mainly uses a soft golden color palette inspired by golden retrievers to create a warm and friendly atmosphere. Rounded cards and simple, consistent layouts make navigation intuitive and reading comfortable. The design also achieves strong visual appeal, follows platform UI guidelines, and maintains high responsiveness with clear feedback and smooth screen transitions. In this section, we'll explain how PawTrack meets the innovation criteria. While most apps only count steps or focus on pet communities, PawTrack takes a holistic approach. It's about the whole dog walking experience. We combine weather awareness, dog profile management, and route tracking in one system, helping users plan safe walks and build healthy routines for both dogs and owners. Beyond that, PawTrack adds smart exploration. Users can find nearby dog-friendly parks, cafes, and even community-added bins, while our Big Dog Alert improves safety when large dogs are nearby. From technical side, PawTrack integrates GPS tracking, a weather API, and a responsive React Native interface, ensuring smooth performance and consistent design across devices. Inspired by Strava, Google Maps, and lifestyle apps, we turn ordinary walks into a social, safe, and connected experience, promoting healthier habits and stronger communities for dog owners everywhere. That's all the presentation of PawTrack today. Thanks for your patience and watching.